Hi, I'm Mr. J. We're gonna get a haircut now. This is Mr. 1, number 1, Lok Di Moy. Guache Gatsak Kyom, right? Lok Di Moy, Song Nang.
Yeah.
So, see that? It's too long. See that? Sok Bang? Right? Samna? He won't speak now. He won't talk. He's focused now. See that? Sok Kyom Vang or fly? Vang. It is long, he says. How do I outjunk Chlari Kyom? Kyom Sualo Bundong. How? He's looking at the video now. Okay, do it. We'll see how it turns out, folks. He said it's done. Is it done? Let's see. What do you think? Howie? Is it okay? Is it okay? What about this one? It's okay? Vang? Or Tomada?
Yeah, Tomada.
No problem. So I want to stick the hair back on. Can you stick the hairs back on? Put the hair back on? He's going to give me a massage now. Hey, I mean massage, tick tick. Dup. Yeah, munity. Oh yeah, that's it. See, the rest of the shop has more customers too. Who else? There's a guy over there. Like this also, they give you free tea when you get a haircut. I guess it's hair growth tea. It's like a hot tea for hair growth. I can feel my hair getting longer already. She just gave him a hot tea also. That's part of the racket. That's the way it works here. I don't know why it's overexposed. Okay, that's it. That's the end. Bye.